guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are. I thank you very much for watching, and I pray that God may bless and to keep each and every one of your family. As I'm about to make a juice, I'm gonna make a juice. Just ask God blessing upon what I'm doing. Dear God, we thank you for today. Thank you for everything. And as we're about to do what you have laid us to do, we ask for your blessing upon each and every one of us in Jesus' name. Okay, we're gonna make honeydew and pineapple juice with, you know, me now leave out the ginger, right? And my lemon. No sugar added. I'm gonna make it the way that you don't have to have sugar. Okay, so here I have my big honeydew, right? My big honeydew, and guess what? I didn't want to taste a pineapple yesterday. I have this big pineapple. I just have to just cut it up and get a slice. So this is my remain to make my juice with my ginger, my lemon, and my honeydew. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, always wash your fruits. Always wash your fruits. So I'm gonna wash these, clean up my ginger. Come with me. And put a little soap on it in the outside. Here's my ginger. Off this part. I am back. Clean up everything and I am back. First I must cut my, let me put this on here and cut my ginger on the board here because I don't want to cut my hand. Come on, stay with me. I blend my ginger first. And I don't have to strain my pineapple nor my honeydew. Okay? I take out the milk from the ginger, from the pineapple. Because I don't have to strain it. When you have these juice, better for you to drink these juice more than drink the preservative juice. Okay, this is my honeydew I'm cutting. Wow, look guys, nice, right? Very nice. Let me get a spoon. Take out all this stuff from here. Okay. Okay. First, let me taste it. Sweet. Very sweet. It's sweet. This is the last piece I'm putting. I have to save a piece. It's so sweet. I have to save this piece to eat later. Sweet, man. Sweet, sweet, sweet. get my cantaloupe. Let me show you what I'm taking out from my pineapple. This middle part, because I am not straining it. This middle part comes with a string. Let me put it here. Here comes everything. Okay, I finished cut up everything. Nice up everything then. I'm gonna do the ginger first. Wow, it takes so long to open. Okay, this is a ginger. I have some water here. Okay. All right. I think you're done. The ginger is so strong. I put a little tip of water. I'm going to wash out this part with the ginger. Yeah. Nice. As I said, I'm going to use the ginger water to finish these up. Make it very nice. And me always tell you guys, when I do my ginger like this, I use this and boil some tea. Please have a cup of tea, well strong. These are natural juice. Natural juice, okay? Okay, it's over here. Okay. I'm gonna put this in it. Let me do the this is the pineapple. Use a little bit here. Okay. It's strong. Yeah. This is juice. This is juice. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna put back some here. Okay. To mix with this one here. All right. To put in this. Okay. All right. Okay. Don't think this the whole board. It's just pretty. Look.
Real nice.
Oh my gosh. What am I going to do? The last one, I'm just going to put in this for no more water. Just make it thick and nice, okay?
Yes.
Okay, this is my last batch. This is done. Okay. Okay, okay. Nice. You see it? Just 1 cup of water I added to this. And you see it come out? Very nice. Okay. Oh, nice. So I'm gonna cut my lemon and You don't have to have two if you want. You can just have one. So just gonna put you see, it don't take anything to make a juice, you know. Don't take nothing much to make some nice juice. So this is my cantaloupe and my pineapple with ginger and lemon. And you see it, I don't add much water to it. And no sugar. When your fruits sweet, you don't have to add sugar. See it? Get a lot of lemon juice. That's all I have to get. Over here. So here goes my honeydew and my pineapple. Honeydew and pineapple, come on. You don't want a thick, thinner juicer than this. Okay? I mean the pulse on the top, but it's okay. You have to try to beat it out, okay? And if you don't, nothing wrong with it. Rich juice. Here goes my container. Okay? I'm going to pour it in this one. Rich, 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 rich. Rich, guys, rich juice.
Yes, so far looking really nice.
Rich juice. And my glass is waiting on me with some ice. There's a lemon seed inside here. Wow. 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 Nice.